Hello, welcome to Cloud Channel. In this module, we will learn how to design a retail and e-commerce using Cosmos DB architecture in Azure platform. In this module, we will discuss about the list of components that we need to build this architecture, and also we will discuss about the potential use cases, and also we will talk about the data flow and the alternative. If any of the service that you want to replace with another, like example, if you want to replace storage block with another storage account, ADLS. So we will discuss alternative solutions also. So before I move to the flow diagram, and I will quickly discuss about the list of components that we need uh, to design this architecture in Azure. The list of components that we need: Azure Web App, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Storage Account, and Azure Cognitive Search. I will start designing the architecture. So we just discussed we need a browser, we need Azure Web App. So let me start with our web browser. I will just say browser. Just look for the browser, and I have a browser available right here. And I will make it just a little big. And the next one, we need Azure Web Apps. We need Azure Web Apps. We'll just bring the web app here, Azure Web App, and make it small. And this is our first step, that we need browser and we need Azure Web App. So this solution shows how to deploy an e-commerce website on Azure. So the e-commerce website is hosted on Azure Web App and uses Azure Cosmos DB as data store for product information and session state. At the end, Azure Search provides search functionality over diverse product catalogs, traffic spikes, and rapidly changing inventory. So let me name this one Azure Web App. So now we need Azure Cosmos DB, where we can store all the product information and session state. And let me get Azure Cosmos DB here. And now we have Azure Cosmos DB. Let me just bring this here. So we have Azure Cosmos DB. I think I can get other icons. This looks bigger. I'm looking for images. That's the problem. Okay, so let me delete this one, and let me collect Azure Cosmos DB here. And this Azure Cosmos DB that we use to store the product information and session state. So now one is for storing product information, and one is for session state. And now we need a storage account. So let me look for the storage account, Azure Storage. So now I have Azure Storage account. So, and the last one, we need Azure Search. Just look for Azure Search. Now we have Azure Search. Okay, so now let me start with the components details again, the list of components, why we need all these components to build this retail and e-commerce using Azure Cosmos database in Azure. So the first service that we use is Azure Web App. So this Azure Web App is used to host the e-commerce web applications. And the next one, Azure Cosmos DB. Azure Cosmos DB stores the products and session state. The next one is Azure Storage Account. Azure Storage stores static product images and other static contents are stored in an Azure Storage account. The last one, Azure Search, Azure Cognitive Search. It provides a search capability over all the products that you have available in the inventory. So before I move to our data flow, so let me quickly note down here the components. Let me just put it on the notes here. The components that we need: Azure Web App and Azure Cosmos DB and Azure Storage. The last one, Azure Search. So now we have a list of the components that we need to build this architecture. Okay, now let me talk about the data flow. So I will put here the data flow. I will explain you guys step by step how we can connect these components and build architecture. And our step one will be the web applications that we need to host in Azure. So how do we host the web application in Azure? So we will use Azure Web App to host the web application in Azure. So now let's connect. Now the web application is hosted in an Azure Web App. So this is step one. This is step one. And I will write this later at the end of the video module. I will list down all the steps in this data flow. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will just say step one here. And let's talk about step two. Now we hosted our web application in Azure. Now we hosted that in Azure Web App. And where do we store all the data and all our product information and session state? Now connect this to Cosmos DB. So the Cosmos DB we use to store the product information and session state. And this is our step two. Step two. And the step three, the static content and product images are stored in an Azure storage account. So here you can see that the storage account. So now I will just move this here, step two, and this is step three. So now I need to change here the two directions. Okay, now I need to connect this here. Okay, now I will just expand a little bit. So now I will write down here. I just need a text, not able to write any text. I will say this is step three. And let's quickly discuss our step one and step two and step three. So step one, the web application is hosted in Azure Web Apps. In step two, the data gets stored in Azure Cosmos DB. And step three, the static content and product images are stored in Azure Storage account. And what is the final step? So we hosted web application in web app, and we store all the product information and session state in Azure Cosmos DB, and we stored all the product images and the static content in Azure Storage account. And what's the last step? So we will use Azure Cognitive Search is used to search across all the products that whatever inventory we have, we will use this service to search everything. So now I will connect this to Azure Search. And this is our step four. This is step four. Okay, so now I will quickly review one more time the steps that we discussed in this data flow. I will quickly write the step one. The web application is hosted hosted in an Azure web app. That's our first step. And if you have any questions on how to deploy these services in Azure, and please go to my channel, and there are plenty of videos available how you can deploy all these services in Azure, and how you can configure them, and how you can give rights to the users. You can use RBAC, and also it gives a lot of details, all my video modules about the services and the deployment. So don't worry, please, after this video, please look in my channel for other services video. And let me talk about step 2 here. The step 2, all the product information and session state get stored in Azure Cosmos DB. So let me say the data that could be a product information, product info, and the session state get stored in Azure Cosmos DB. And what is step 3? So we store all the static content and product images in Azure Storage Account. That's a static content, and product images are stored in Azure Storage. And the last step 4, and we use Azure Search to search across all the products that we have in the inventory. So Azure Search is used to search across all the products that we have. Now we have all the steps that involved in the data flow. So let me quickly review. So what are the components that we need, and what are the steps involved in this data flow? And after that, I will move to some of the potential use cases that this solution where we can use. So let me talk about one more time about this architecture, about this solution. This solution is how to deploy an e-commerce website on Azure. So the e-commerce website is hosted on Azure Web App and uses Azure Cosmos DB as a data store for product to store product information and session state. And all the static content and product information stored in Azure Storage Account, and Azure Search provides search functionality over diverse product catalogs, traffic spikes, and rapidly changing inventory. And the list of components that we need to design this architecture: Azure Web App, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Storage Account, and Azure Search. And the steps involved in these architectures, there are 4 steps involved. The step 1, that we need to host the web application in Azure, and we use Azure Web App to host our web application in Azure. Once we have our web application in Azure, then we need to store all the information that we need to use Azure Cosmos DB to store all the product information and session state. And once we have all these product information session state in Azure Cosmos DB, and we will also need Azure Storage Account to store static content and product images. And the last step, we need one service to search across all our inventory, that we use Azure Search for that. That is our final step, step 4. Azure Search is used to search across all the products. If you have any questions about these retail and e-commerce using Cosmos DB architecture, please post all your questions in the comment section. If you have any questions about the deployment or how this Azure app works, or any other service, Azure Search, Azure Cosmos DB, or any other Azure product, it could be any Azure database or any Azure compute resource, and please post all your questions in the comments, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. And thanks for watching the channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.